Hi, I'm Matt with the Intergalactic Herald, just going over our weekly Star Atlas recap number 68. You can find information about all the things mentioned here at intergalacticherald.com. Please look for News Recap 68. Star Atlas published their latest newsletter, the Atlas Star issue number 19. Star Atlas published their latest economic report for quarter 2 of 2023. Tomorrow's World posted a video summary of Star Atlas. AFIA released a new data dashboard about the Star Atlas marketplace. Rob Mega posted a video recapping the past week of news in Star Atlas. Metaverse Nomads posted a video of their weekly Star Atlas livestream. AFIA posted a video replay of a Star Atlas Q&A. Dominic Vane posted a video recapping the Star Atlas announcements for June. Metaverse Explorer posted a video of the latest Star Atlas news. Beyond the Horizon posted a Star Atlas news recap video. The Hologram published an article about the upcoming Star Atlas Rec. Beyond the Horizon posted a video comparing Star Atlas claim stakes to Star Atlas mining ships. Star Atlas TV posted a video replay of the recent Atlas Brew. Star Atlas published an article about their partnership with Hello Moon. Star Atlas published an article introducing the first proposal for the Star Atlas DAO. The Hologram News Network posted a video summary about the news of the updates to the Star Atlas DAO. The Hologram News Network posted a video about comments from the Star Atlas CEO on the recent ship configurations. If you'd like to find links to all the items mentioned here, please go to intergalacticherald.com and look for News Recap number 68. Thank you.